Go.
Good day, class. Our lesson for today is about the difference between school lines and parallel lines. School lines are lines that are non-coplanar and do not intersect. These are examples of school lines. They're non-coplanar and does not intersect. By the way, non-coplanar means they're not on the same plane, lying on the same plane. Parallel lines are lines that does not intersect and are coplanar. These are examples of parallel lines. Parallel lines lie on the same plane and are coplanar. They're lying on the same plane. If you observe, the difference between them is parallel lines are lying on the same plane and school lines are not. Thank you for listening for our lesson.